I put toothpaste on my nose and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I will show you everything that happens when you dare to put toothpaste on your nose. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. But before I tell you what it is for to put toothpaste on your nose, I will give you some other homemade tricks that you can do with toothpaste, and that will be very helpful. Number 1. Remove the flavor from plastic containers. After having some drink or food in a container for a long time, the smell tends to stay inside the container, making it unpleasant to use it again. To deodorize it, you just have to put a little toothpaste inside the container. Then add a little water and beat for a minute. Rinse as usual, and you will notice how the smell has gone. Number 2. Eliminate cockroaches. If cockroaches have invaded your house, you can make a natural pesticide using toothpaste. Just mix half a tablespoon of toothpaste with half a tablespoon of baking soda and half a glass of milk. Place in places where you know that cockroaches frequent, and in a matter of hours they will be eliminated. Number 3. Clean the rubber of the refrigerator. The first thing you have to do is moisten the rubbers. Then place a little toothpaste in a brush and rub all over the area where you notice that the rubber is curled. Let it rest for about 5 minutes and then rinse with a damp cloth. They will be like new. Number 4. Restore the headlights of the car. As time goes by, the headlights of the car tend to become opaque, making it difficult for the lights to illuminate correctly. Toothpaste is ideal to restore the brightness and life to the headlights of the car. With the help of a kitchen sponge, apply the paste all over the headlight until it is completely covered. Then let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then take a damp cloth and remove the paste little by little. You will be surprised by the result. Since you know several tricks with toothpaste, now is the time to tell you what it is for to put it on the nose. Black spots are born from the fat that the skin generates, and at the same time from the air pollution that causes the pores to cover. The paste is ideal to remove black spots. The first thing you should do is put a wet towel with hot water on your nose, as this will serve to open the pores. Leave it there for about 4 minutes. Then take a toothbrush and dispense a little toothpaste of the brand you prefer. The next thing is to rub all over the area of the nose that is affected by the black spots. Rub for 20 seconds and let it rest for a minute. Then remove the paste with cold water, and you will notice how those black spots will have disappeared completely.